$10. We'll take it.
Yep, I'll take it too. There you go.
There we go. 2 stacks. We got it. All right, mini, minor, major.
Sticking
Let's
around
go.
paid off.
Welcome back, YouTubers. We are Chicken Ranch Casino on Dragon Leap Peacock Princess. All right, we are looking for a bonus.
How about a first spin bonus? $5 bet. Let's go.
All right, 6 Dragon Balls or 3 or more peacocks.
It is time for a peacock.
3. One more.
5.
4, 2.
1, 2. Come on. It's not the way it's supposed to go.
2 more. Come on. One or the other. Let's go.
Alright. Lucky left hand coming out swinging. I think it's 1 line on the bar. Our only winning line?
Come on. All right, she's wild. 3.
On the back. Walker.
Come on, pretty princess. 2 more.
They don't produce dragon orbs. You would think that they would have some of those in there. Many people like to play it.
2.
Peacock, Princess. Let's go. Change something up here.
I was on that. 3.
Ultra low. Get it warmed up. Show it how to give bonuses. Then we raise the bet.
Did you see that?
Wild ones that I grew up.
2 more. Come on. 3. Come on.
Come on. You could have just dropped a few in there.
Come on. Get us a peacock bonus.
Or a dragon orb bonus. Some people in the comments were unsure if they were called orbs or balls.
I just call them Dragon Balls.
But technically they are dragon orbs, whatever those are.
2.
Hello, Minnie. Are you seeing any light?
One more. Oh, fudge.
Hey.
You're killing me, lady.
You're in the way. You're in the way. We're gonna have a good time with the peacocks. Come on.
One more. Come on. Fudge. You don't give anything. You don't do anything.
Keep-
4. One more. Let's go. 2.
Hello, video on Minnie. How about come back?
3. 3. 3. You suck royally.
Come on, let's go.
All right, guys. That is Peacock Princess.
Bonus. Bonus in the basement.
Welcome back, YouTube. We're at Chicken Range Casino on Dragon Lake Golden Gong. Here are our progressives. That grand is almost maxed out. All right, what do you want to start on? What do you want to start on?
We haven't done it for a while. How about $2, $10? Have a couple of them. Let's go. Went away
These
from
are
it.
wild.
It hasn't been working. Tightened up all these machines.
All right, 6 Dragon Balls.
The Aristocrat
3 of those
came out,
gongs.
And I think Aristocrat came out and took half the orbs out of each machine.
Come on,
The
Gong.
country. Said it's giving too much money away. You gotta stop it by taking half the orbs out.
3 more.
That's why everyone's spilling.
Come on, one more. One more.
Nothing went through.
2 more.
Dongas. I want gone so bad. really stuck. The last time we came to Chicken Ranch was a few days ago, and we
had one on
one on Panda Magic and bonus Happy and Prosperous. We were doing the 50 spin challenge, but nothing today. Not one bonus.
One more.
Did okay on Firelink. Did okay on Buffalo Link. The Dragon Link is more Dragon Sink than Link. Come on.
Three more. 3. You only had to do 3. You already gave 3. You gave 3 more.
That's the math. The math equals the math. Alright. Maybe it wants us to bet bigger.
No. 2 more.
Alright, we started with 200, so.
Yeah, oh, I know.
2 more. There's not even balls. Like, I don't think any
We
showed
just
up
came from that.
on any denomination.
4 more.
4?
Two. Oh, my lord. Thank you.
We got 120. Let's go.
No. Yeah.
130.
Yeah.
Alright, let's stop and contra.
What the F-U-C-K? Oh, do not hoot and holler like you just gave me the best darn bonus ever.
Back to back. Back to back. Johnson.
And you blocked me and you got me 2 bonus.
Ugly looking screen.
Gone.
Now, I would like to take a second to just tell everyone how much we appreciate everyone that's viewing the videos. Hit the like, subscribe button. We appreciate it, you guys. There you go. That's what was.
We were just on there. That's exactly where I just left.
Yeah, but that means we can go back there.
Yeah, it dropped.
That's gonna give us a mate, right? Right there. You can't come down and then go back up there.
Let's go.
You pick. watches these things.
Wait, come on, back inside, you stupid
Plays
ass.
these things. And appreciates that we, you know, it can be rough. Oh, it is teasing. Heck out of everything. Door balls.
Come on.
They understand the struggle when it comes to these games. Trying to find that bonus here. No? Alright.
It doesn't give anything though. That's
Always
the
for
whole
the
problem.
gamble. It doesn't want to give us, it's scared to give us a bonus on a $5 bet. We'll break the casino. Everyone would have to find new jobs.
Back everybody, we're at Chicken Ranch Casino in Northern California. It's on the lightning
Only
lane.
10 cents?
Heart Throb. Well, there's other dinos, but 10 cent is the max. So I was just gonna start on a 250.
Wait, no, don't do 2.
Oh, I already did it.
Alright.
Okay, what do you want to do? A 1250? Go ahead.
Alright, do one more 1250.
Lunas, let's go, baby.
Alright. We could go down to 250. Moons now?
Oh, let's go. 6 of those hearts with words or numbers.
The mini is $100.
Yes.
Mine
Or
is
3
$7.
moons. Let's go.
There we go.
One more.
Have we ever played this one?
This machine, no.
I'm only used to the high limit one.
I know.
The $5 bets.
3 more.
Ooh.
3
on the end?
Oh, it did it again.
2 more moons. One
One
more.
more. Moon.
Moons?
All right,
Lunas.
$5.
3 more.
Oh, maybe that's why we don't ever play this.
Let's go here. Let's start here. Let's try 250.
One more.
It's treated us kind of good tonight. 375, I think, too. It's really nice.
One more. Let's go.
Presents.
One more. Let's go. Let's go.
Those are nice ones right there. One more win. He's right there. He was so shy, he didn't want to come down
3 more.
on the end. Alright. Moon, please.
Lunas, one more. One more.
Oh, you're messed up.
One more.
Ooh. No bonus. Oh, $8 right there?
Well, because I raised it, the bet. So it was a little more that time.
Ooh. This is the size bet. I'm used to playing on hard throw. How about a bonus though? Nope. Alright.
It's up to you. Or you can go to Bengal Treasures. You understand this one?
Yeah, let's try it.
Okay.
Alright, another 100. Let's get it. But
What denom you want to go to? 250?
250 on 5 cent. Let's try that one.
Get it.
We want you, but more of you. 6 of you. They do sound nice when they hit, though.
Yeah, we're only getting a couple at a time.
I know. 2 more moons.
Oh, I was getting ready to get up.
Oh, yeah, okay.
$10, we'll take it.
Yep, I'll take you 10. There you go.
There we go. 2 stacks, we got it. All right, mini, minor, major.
Sticking
Let's
around
go.
paid off.
Get one.
If you land that mini, then it really paid off. Gives that money back.
Let's go, get it, get it.
This one.
Last spin.
Make it count. One right here. Come on, make it count. There you go. Thank you. My heart is throbbing right now.
Last one, let's go.
Maybe that's just pizza from earlier. Maybe it's more heartburn than heart throb. Gave us a little bit back.
Alright, let's go, guys. Luna.
Moons now. An early bonus right now would be great.
One more moon.
I don't want you now. Get out of here. Come back for 3 more. Okay.
This one doesn't have the multipliers, does it? Oh yeah, it does. So if I can get all multipliers.
That bonus is hard over there.
I know, that's what I was watching.
1250, okay. $450. Those are wins.
It's not much.
Those are winning spins.
Give me like $15.
One more.
Come on. How about some moons? Show us those moons right now. One more. Thought I talked him into giving us a bonus. $375. I say we just stick at 375. Ooh,
You blocked
blockers.
us.
Blockers. Nobody likes stinking blockers in the back there. One more.
I got a 25 on earlier on the other
2 more hearts. Moons.
Moons.
It's a little late. 2 more.
2 more. I
You're
mean,
a
4
little-
more.
It's a little late. Oh man. Moons. We wrote it out.
Woo!
Now we just need something to line up.
Do, 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 do.
need $160 back.
Alright guys, let's go.
Alright, here we go. Give it to
Oh,
us.
they have multipliers. Let's go.
There we go.
That is epic.
That's a good one.
That's a good one. Yeah.
Why is that heart there?
I know. Can
Get that heart out of
get
there.
out of there? Give us one of the
Get
other
it out of there.
symbols. Brent, these are like gigantic hits.
There we go.
Woo, baby.
There we
It
go.
was 700 for that.
Oh my, oh you're
Yeah,
right.
almost 5 cents.
Oh, come on, do it one more time. There we go. A little bit. One more spin.
Last spin, guys. Oh, you had to come in. Come on.
750?
Yep.
750?
Woo.
Moons again?
Come just a minute.
Here, just moon. Alright guys.
All right, guys, we're back. Sorry, I had to take a phone call.
One more.
Oh, it was right there.
Good thing we put in that second 100.
Yes.
Now we get to cash out up $500.
Lunas, let's
come on.
go.
That was a huge line hit. That was epic. That was a great one. That's like Genghis. Two more. I didn't know. I don't remember the one at Harris having multipliers.
One more.
Two more.
Oh, I increased. I'm at $6.
Do you remember having multipliers? Different version? Two more moons. Come on.
No, I'm sure I did. We just didn't realize it.
Moons. Oh, come on, give us those moons or those hearts. One more bonus. Come on, moons. Come back. You gotta do a little bit more than one bonus. Three, anywhere.
One more.
Come on.
All right, you want to cash out? All
Let's
right,
call
guys,
it.
that is Lightning Link Throb. We ended up putting it in 200. It's a nice little win. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys.